Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you so much for watching. So today I want to do a makeup with some new products that I got. I'll be slowly showing you the product as I go, because there are just a few products that I got from Amazon and shipped via Servo Store. So if you have any questions of shipping them, you can ask me down below in the comment section. And also, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this, and please be sure to subscribe and also put the notifications button on for my videos to come. So I'll begin. First of all, there's a new one I got, Carmex, the Carmex lip balm. It's medicated, classic lip balm medicated. It's for chapped lips. If you have chapped lips, it heals the chapped lips also. So here's how it looks. I don't know if you can see. So I'll just apply that first. Then now I'm going to start my brows. So for my brows, I always powder them first. I'll just powder them, and then first I use my pencil lightly just to draw like the lines. Filling them in really quick. That's all. I got a Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. This is how it looks. It's brown, so I'll take this, remove the excess, and start from the middle. Oh my god, that's too much. So I'll just do the stroke slowly until the tip of it. And this is waterproof, as it says. I've not tested it yet, but I'm gonna, and then I'll tell you the results. Yeah, when I'm done now, I'm going to like slightly define them. I'm using my concealer Chestnut. This is not new. So I'll go again to just fix this part that I messed. So that's it, I'm done with my eyebrows. So I'll just let them dry before I go in again with my swirly later. And now I'll just use this concealer as the base to prime my lid before we go in with that eyeshadow. And then I'll set it with zip card. So I'm using this Huda palette, not new. I didn't order an eyeshadow palette, so I'll use this one. And today I'm gonna apply the color Lagos, the green Lagos. Let me start with something light, like a transition color. It's called Kisumu. After that, now I'm going in with the green. And I'm taking it down and slightly outside. So I've added some light. So basically that's what we are rocking. The color today is green. So I'm using the color Lusaka, this one, the shimmer one. Let me use this, my concealer. because I want to have like a line. So what I'll do, I'm going to spray this brush just to make it wet a little, so I can take the color Lusaka, and this is going to be a pain. I don't know which brush to use. Likely just build it up. So I'm done for that part. So now I'll just use my mascara, this. So today I'm going to put lashes, and for my lashes I got some new lashes as well. These are the lashes. They have 5 different designs. All of them are 50. They come in this box. To be honest, I was so psyched about the lashes, but apparently I'm not happy about them, because let me show you. This is how they look. They're so tiny, like here. I don't know how to work that. I've never even tried lashes with that thin layer, because this is what I normally use. And you can see, like, this looks like a real like human hair lash. This is just synthetic. So let me put on my lashes and I'll be back, because it will take a lot of time. So guys, I'm back. I've just put my lashes. So these lashes didn't work. The one that has a thin layer, I had to put my old lashes on just to show you the look with the lashes. And then something that is a bit disappointing, I ordered glue, thinking that it will be cool, but there's nothing inside. I don't know what to do. I'll just sort that out later. Anyway, let me just wipe the excess off. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm going to go in with my primer. Just prime my face. I'm using my Master Prime Maybelline. Okay, another thing that I got is this Age Rewinder Conceal Treatment by Maybelline. Yeah, Maybelline New York. So I'll just conceal. So I'll just use, oh my god, that's a lot. I think I've put a lot of concealer, to be honest. So let me blend it. That was a lot. Oh my god, I hope it works. I'll use my Lancome foundation. For the concealer, I think I had a lot, like, to be honest. I think I had a lot. Use my sponge and set everything up now. Gonna use this phone to highlight. Then I'll go in with my sponge and just blend. So when I'm done with that, today I'm using a new powder, the Airspun loose face powder. And I'll take my brush, foundation brush, and just like so. To contour, I have a new palette also, Black Radiance contour palette, and this is how it looks itself. So it has contour, sculpt, and highlight. It's not dark enough. I'll take the powder. I do not let the powder set for long, so I'll just brush it. I'm too scared of getting harsh lines. Let me now do my lower lashes. I'll start with the transition color I used, Kisumu, my girl. And then with the green. I'm going to use the shade Lusaka. I've just used like a little amount just to give myself some glitter down there, on my lower lash. Take the brush and blend it. Contour my nose. Okay, so after contouring, I'm using a bronzer. So for the first time in my makeup, I have a real bronzer, Physicians formula. Put a little on the tip there and apply it on my cheekbones. It smells so good. Black Radiant blush, which has it's raspberry color. So you can just see the color from now. Actually, I can see the contour that I didn't see before. We first set, and for my setting, I'm using this. Also, this is new, Mario Badescu, if I'm pronouncing it right. So you can use it before in your skincare, and also you can use it to set your makeup. So I'm going to use it and see how my look will feel like. Now I can apply my highlighter. I'm using this color. Oh my god. And then now we can do our lips. Line the line using this. Then I'm using my Joanna Fearless. So again, I'm going to set it lastly. So guys, this is the final look with every product that I got from Amazon. So thank you so much for watching. Please do share your comments about this look down below, and see you in my next video. Bye.